Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain file handling programs. File handling allows your programs to interact with external files, which is crucial for saving data and loading configurations. It's how applications remember things between sessions. We'll cover the fundamental steps involved in reading from and writing to files, ensuring your programs can manage persistent data effectively. To begin, you need to open a file using a function like open, providing the file's name and a mode. Modes like R for reading, W for writing, or A for appending determine how you interact with the file. It's vital to close files after you're done, either with a close method or by using a with statement to save changes and free up system resources. Once a file is open, you can read its content in several ways. The read method fetches the entire file as a single string. If you prefer to process data line by line, readLine is your go-to. For situations where you need all lines as a list of strings, readLines is the most convenient option. Choose the method that best suits your data processing needs. Writing data to a file is straightforward. You can use the write method to add a single string to your file. If you have multiple strings, perhaps in a list, WriteLines can write them all efficiently. Just ensure your file is opened in W mode to overwrite existing content or a mode to append new data without deleting what's already there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.